How to call on Facebook Messenger. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Over here, you can view all your chats with friends on Facebook. Open any chat from here. If you want to call this person on Messenger, then go to top right corner and tap on the call icon as shown. This is the Messenger call screen. You can turn on the speaker or mute yourself from the bottom panel. If you want to add more people to the call, tap on the Add icon at the top. Then, choose the people you want to add. Tap on the red call button to end the call. As you can see, the call will show up as a missed calls as the person did not receive the call. Following these steps, you can easily make a call on Facebook Messenger.